Okay, good afternoon, and this is going to be a tutorial on doing one of the problems from problem set A from work and energy. It is work that we're talking about here. If you go to the website, you will find in the work and momentum, or the energy and momentum page, you will find problem set A towards the bottom of that group, right where this tutorial was located. So take a look at those. Um, okay, so what I plan to do is look at problem number 4 here. It seems to be more complicated than most. Um, so here it is right here. And it says in 1453, during the siege of Constantinople, the Turks used cannon capable of launching a stone cannonball with a mass of 5.4 times 10 to the 2 kilograms. Suppose soldier dropped a cannonball with this mass while trying to load it into the cannon. The cannonball rolled down the hill. That made an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. If 5.30 times 10 to the 4 joules of work were done by gravity on the cannonball as it rolled down the hill, how far did it roll? Okay, so what we're going to do is take a look at this here. All right, so question number 4, write down your givens. So your givens mass was equal to 5.40 times 10 to the 2 kilograms. The angle of the ramp was 30 degrees. And the work done by gravity was 5.30 times 10 to the 4 joules. That's a terrible thing. All right, that's a joules. All right, so first thing you're going to do after you write down their givens is draw the picture just so you can get familiarized again with how to do this. This is our ramp. It's a triangle. Okay? Theta is right there at that angle. Here's the cannonball, and the cannonball is being pulled down by gravity. Remember, gravity is the weight, which is mg. We have a normal. The normal comes down this direction here. We're not going to be concerned with the normal too much because we're going to be concerned with this piece right here that goes down the ramp. And this guy right here is going to be mg sine theta. Right? Hopefully you guys remember that. So let's look at the equation for work. The equation for work is force times distance. So let's figure out the force. It's going to be easier to do it by figuring out the force than it is to plug everything in first, because when we get down to it, distance is going to be work divided by force. But if you have the force already, it's going to be a lot easier to do. So what is the force? So over here, I'm going to put down the force of gravity. Force of gravity is going to be the mass, which is 5.40 times 10 to the 2 kilograms, times gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared, times the sine of theta, which is 30.0 degrees. Okay? So when we put this all together, what we'll end up with is force of gravity is going to be, then we take out our handy dandy calculator. Okay, and in my calculator, let's see if you guys can see that. Okay. I'm going to put in 540, that's 5.4 times 10 to the 2 times 9.8 times the sine of 30, that's my parentheses, and that equals 2646. So 2646 newtons. we could put this into scientific notation. So force of gravity is going to be 2.65. I'm just rounding because of those two. 2.65 times 10 to the 3 newtons. And you'll see why this makes a little more sense in just a moment when we put it into the other equation. So over here, distance equals 5.30 times 10 to the 4 joules divided by 2.65 times 10 to the 3 newtons. So in my answer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my powers of 10 first. 10 to the 3, 10 to the 4. So if I've got 4 divided by, or 10 to the 4 divided by 10 to the 3, I subtract my powers of 10, so I get 10 to the 1. So those guys are gone. Now it is 2.65 divided into 5.30. Well, how many times does it do that? You can use your calculator, that's fine, but this turns out to be 2. So this becomes 2.00 times 10 to the 1 meters. And if we work 10 to the 1 is 10, so 2 times 10, and that is a distance of 20 meters, 20.0 meters. And that is the answer. So this cannonball rolls down 20 meters. All right. And on this one, what I want you to do, there are 11 problems possible here. I want you to do 7 problems out of 11. This one does not count, okay? So do 7 out of the 11 problems, and I will have you guys send that in to me afterwards, okay? Thank you.